Namaste, I'm Archana. A warm welcome to day 4 of 30 days of yoga, which is inspired by Panchabhuta, or the 5 elements. In today's session, we're going to be doing asanas, which is going to embody the qualities of the element air, where we will do asanas to build a strong, open chest, in turn helping us improve our posture, increase circulation, and help us connect more deeply with our breath. So we'll begin this session by sitting in a comfortable seated position, keeping our back straight, chin parallel. Hands come to rest on our knees, palms in receiving position or here. It's up to you completely. Take a deep breath in, completely breathe out. And just as you inhale, exhale, observe the natural rhythm of your breath. Slowly shifting your awareness to the rise and fall of your chest. This time, as you breathe in, raising your shoulders towards your ears and very gently dropping it down, creating space between your ear and your shoulder, maintaining a long neck. Once again, deep breath in. Nice length in your spine. Now observe the full expansion of your chest as you breathe in. And relax your chest as you breathe out. Dropping your chin to your chest, nodding like you're saying yes to life. And turn and look to your right and left. Just nodding like you're saying no to anything that doesn't serve you, both in body and mind. Now as you breathe in, inhale, bring your fingertips up to the ceiling, drop your head back, nice expansion in your extension in your neck. Breathe out, drop your hands down, hands come behind your back, forehead towards the mat, chin towards your chest. Inhale, reach up. Now as you breathe out again, hands behind your back, chin to chest, forehead towards the mat. Last one, breath in, reach up. Breathe out. Down. This time, reach your hands up, gaze forward, turn and twist to your right. Inhale up, exhale, left. Now, to your right, from the front, 3, 2, just swinging your arms, and 1, using momentum to move right to left. Interlace your fingers, stretch your hands towards the ceiling. Now this time as you breathe out, pull that navel, collapse. Again, breathe in, reach and create length. Exhale, just coordinating your breath with your movement. One more. Breath in, reach up. Breathe out. Last one. Stay here. Nice side bend. Draw. Stretch. Now bend at your elbow towards the other side. Release. Drop your hands down. Roll your shoulders towards your ears. Move your head to either side. Swing your legs to one side. Come on to your palms and knees off. Bend your right knee, bend your left knee. 2 and 1. Just shake everything out, drop your knees, sit back in Vajrasana. From here, Inhale, reach your hands up. Exhale, this time all the way, bigger expansions, forehead towards the mat. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, open your chest, forehead. Last one, breath in, reach up, breathe out and down. Inhale, up, exhale, sit back on your heel, reach your hands behind you, open your chest, drop your head back. Breath in, completely breathe out. And now those of you who can go further behind, just adjust so that you're on the mat. See if you can drop your open and drop your head back. If this is not an option, stay here or your previous pose. Breathe in, completely breathe out. These are just modifications for where our body feels it is today. Raise your shoulders towards your ears, roll and bring it down. Hands come here, release your knees now. Step your right leg between your palms. Adjust your back leg so your toes naturally on the long end of the mat. Inhale, reach your hands up. Exhale, arch. Your back, chest opens. Breathe in, reach up. Drop your right hand towards the mat. Nice side body stretch. Inhale. Stay here. 3, 2. Every time you inhale, lot of extension there. And 1. Breath in. Reach your hand up. Take your right hand, place it behind your waist. Open and arch. Reverse warrior. 3, 2, and 1. Release. Hands come down on the mat. Step back. Breathe in. Completely breathe out. 2 and 1. Step your left leg between your palms. Adjust your back leg. Inhale. Come up. Breathe out. Stretch and push. Again, inhale, up, exhale, open. Breathe in, reach up. This time, I lost count there. So reach, drop your left hand, eyes opening you. Breathe in, completely breathe out. And 1, bring your hands back up. Right hand behind your back. Reach that left hand, big opening in your chest. 3, 2, and 1. Release. Come back. Shake your legs out. Drop your knees. Send your seat back towards your heels, forehead on the mat. Breathe in, arch your back. Breathe out, pull the navel in round and send it back. Last one. Arch, opening your chest and back. Now come on to your knees and palms. See that your hips are directly over your knees. It's not forward or back. Reach your hands forward. Rest your forehead on the mat. Breathe in. As you breathe out, trying to collapse your chest towards the mat. 2. And 1. Breathe in, come up onto your palms. Back to Vajrasana. Roll your shoulders towards your ears. Move your neck side to side. See how that feels. Inhale, hands come up. Exhale, push that elbow behind, opening your chest, gaze forward. Inhale, up. Exhale, forward. If sitting in Vajrasana is hard, you can come to sit in Sukhasana and do it. Again, breath in, reach up. See that you're not tucking your chin to your chest. Taking your hands, you're not pointing your toes, your fingers back. Opening your elbow. Again, you can only touch the tips of your fingers, even that is fine. Breathe and back. 3 more, open. And back. Last one. Stretch and open. And back. Come forward. Come to rest in Shashankasana. Bend your elbows. Hands come to Namaskara Mudra behind you. Feeling a nice stretch in your shoulder. Breathe in. And breathe out. Every time you breathe out, just sinking deeper into the mat. Release. Cross at your ankle. Swing your legs to one side. Did I say swing? Swing your legs to one side. Come to lie down on your back. And now turn over to your left or right. Send, in my case, my left arm stretched out to the side or bend elbows in line with your shoulder. It's completely up to you. And shift your weight completely on the left side. Right foot comes to rest behind or in front, whatever is comfortable for you. See that you're not rolling forward. You can use your hands to support in front of your chest. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more breath in. And out. You should feel a nice stretch in your shoulder. Roll to the other side. This time, right hand stretches out. Come to lie down on your right side. Left hand pressing into the mat. You feel a nice opening in your chest, your back muscles. Inhale. Completely exhale. 2. And 1. Come to lie on your belly. Stack your palms one over the other. Rest your forehead. Legs open wide. The inside of your legs resting on the mat. Take a deep breath in. Completely relax. Collapsing deeper into the pose. Inhale. Come to lying in Makarasana, crocodile pose. Every time you're breathing, belly pushing into your mat. As you breathe out, just relaxing any tension, tightness. Stretch. One more deep breath in. Completely breathe out. If this is not comfortable on your neck, you can always release your hands, rest your head to either side, or you can always place a pillow. It's completely up to you. Just honoring how your body feels. Stay here for a few more breaths. Whenever you feel ready, press into the mat. Slowly come up. Thank you so much for doing this practice with me. I would love to hear your feedback, your experience in the comments below. If you're new here, remember to subscribe to my channel. And if you think this is valuable to you, please like and share it with your family and friends. The more people we have joining us on this journey, the more we can build a larger community of strong, healthy, fit people, both in body and mind. Namaste.